Hi there. So let's go ahead and talk about how to create new blog posts within our MonoBooth theme. First of all, you'll need to go over to the posts area, and over here you'll see every single blog post that we've published to this day. From here on, you can view, edit these posts, you can trash them, you can see the categories to which they're related to, and so on and so forth. To create a new post, you simply need to click on Add New, and over here, we'll be required to add our blog post title. So we'll just type in post title. And we have two fields, a field above and below. And this, essentially these two fields are our, pre-blog post title and our sub-blog post title, something like that. So we'll go ahead and just add text above, and then we'll add text below, just so we can see them on the front end. Okay, next off, let's go ahead and select our categories. As you'll see here, we have several categories already added, so we can select gallery. We can create and add a new category by just typing in the title here. So this will be new category. Click on add new category, and it will be added here and selected automatically. Next off, we have the ability to add your text. So this is optional. You can go ahead and do that. And then we have an option to add a small decoration image. So we'll click on upload files, and at this point I'll just select an image that's already been uploaded to our media library. So we'll click on insert into post, and then over here we have the option to select our layouts, and the three options that we have is selecting a sidebar positioned to the right or left hand side of our blog post, or we have a full width page. Now, because I don't want to have a sidebar, I'll leave it at full width page. And finally, we'll need to add a featured image or a preview image for our post. So I'll just go ahead and select this guy over here and click on set featured image, and you'll see this added over here. Okay, so at this point, we're pretty much ready to go ahead and publish our post, and then we'll talk about the content as well. So let's go ahead and click on publish, and we'll go over to our main blog page. We'll refresh this. Okay, so here we have our decoration image, we have text above our post title and text below our post title, and here we have the featured image or the preview image. And once we click into the post, we will be able to preview the content that we will add in just a moment. So let's go ahead and start adding content. Now there are several types of content that you can add. The standard options are just images and text, so we'll go ahead and do that. I'll just get some dummy text real quick for us to use. Okay, so here's that dummy text. Next off, we'll go ahead and click on add media to upload images. So you can either click on upload files and select images from your computer, or you can select images from your media library if they've been already previously uploaded. So at this point, I'll just go ahead and select, now let's just go ahead and upload several images from my computer. Okay, so I'll select these 4 images, and once they've been uploaded, you'll simply need to ensure that the image sizes are listed at full size in the following corner over here. So once you've done that, then click on insert into post, and they will be added to our blog post content. If we switch over to visual mode, this is what it looks like over here. We have all of these images. So in text mode, sometimes it's easier to add text in between the images if that would be required. So just like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on update to update our blog post. And we'll go here, refresh the following page. And we need to click on the post. There we go. So here we have our text, images, text, and images. So yeah, as you can see here, this process is fairly easy and simple. So the next set of content that we can add is essentially a mosaic feature. So at this point, what I'll do is simply remove, I'll just leave that probably. There we go. And we'll need to switch over to visual mode and scroll all the way down, place our cursor over here. And we have this mosaic shortcode that we can add. Now, I've already uploaded my mosaic, and you can see a video on how to manage your mosaics in the video description below. There will be a link to that. So I'll just select this mosaic layout that I've already uploaded, click on insert, and you'll see that my shortcode has been added. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on update once again, and we'll go here and refresh the following page. So we'll scroll down, and here we have our mosaic that I've just added. So it's just a small collage of images. Okay, so that's one option. The third option, actually that was the second option. The third option that we can add is creating a basically like a small image gallery. So what we'll do is also at this point we'll switch over to text mode because it'll be easier to manage this. We'll click on enter several times, and over here we'll click on add media, and you'll need to click on create gallery, and at this point you can either upload images to the following area, or you can select images from your computer. So once again, I will simply select the images that we've just uploaded. So I'll go ahead and select these 3 images, click on create new gallery, and over here, depending of course on the amount of images you have, you can select how many columns you want to have, and this will just kind of break down. So if you have 8 images, you may want to have 4 on the top and 4 at the bottom. I only have 3 images, so I'll select this at 3, and simply click on insert gallery. Okay, so we've added this here, and what we'll need to do is go back, click on update, go back to our blog post and refresh the following page. Okay, so here you'll see that we have the following images added, and these are just 3 images, and once you click on them, you're able to flip through them as well. So technically you can add 6, 9 images, 8, 12, whatever works for you. You can add them just as a collage of images in between your mosaics layout, in between your text content, etc. So this is completely up to you in terms of how you use the following options and how you use or how you position your content on the blog post. But these are the 3 options that you have to work with. So we do hope this video helps, but also be sure to check out our documentation, which that link is in the video description below, to see also what other options may be available, how to use the mosaic layouts, and so forth. So thank you for watching.